This is the Fullstar 4-in-1 Chopper Plus. It comes with 4 different interchangeable blades and it's great for chopping up fruits and veggies quickly and easily. The blades are made out of a rust-resistant stainless steel, and I really wanted to chop veggies on this day, but it came on a day that I didn't have any ready to chop. So I'm just unboxing it and checking everything out. The chopper top goes on nice and easily, and that lock on the right-hand side there is actually for locking in the blade so that it stays in place when you're chopping with it. Everything comes apart nice and easily for cleaning, and I like the fact that there's a spiralizer and a ribbon blade as well, so you can really get creative with cutting your veggies. They pop in and out really easily, and for dicing there is a small and a large one to choose from. It has a non-skid base to make it a little bit more stable while using it. It also includes those 2 cleaning scrapers that I have there in my left hand, as well as a cleaning brush and finger guard. I can't wait to go out and get some fruits and veggies. This chopper is going to make it so much easier to prep them for cooking.